I have the OnePlus Nord CE6, and today I'll show you how to turn on or how to enable fast charging on this phone. So simply go into settings, and then under settings you want to scroll through and find battery. Under battery, scroll all the way down until you get to charging settings. Tap on charging settings, and then at the top here you should see smart rapid charging. That's what fast charging is, so toggle that on. And now if you connect a charger, as long as it's a fast charger, you should see it charging, and then confirm that it's fast charging at the top there. Even lock your screen, you should see that it's fast charging. That's basically how to enable, how to turn on fast charging on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful, leave a like and subscribe. Comments and questions down below. Take care and God bless.